really rambunctious, rowdy Rizzler range riding. Say that 10 times fast. So we recently unboxed and did a review video on this Rizzler, and I'm happy to say I was pleasantly surprised by this thing. But now that we know it's literally the best wheelie bike that Electro & Co has produced yet, I want to know, how long could I actually ride it for? Go Birds. Alrighty, we got the Rizzler here, currently at 100%. Worth mentioning, it is currently 34 degrees in Pennsylvania, so super chilly, not the most opportune time to do a range test, but we're gonna do it anyway. See how this performs in 34 degrees sub-freezing weather, nearly freezing weather. To track this ride, I'm using the Map My Run app. So here we go. And we're off. So for those of you guys that do not know, this is a 60 volt, 25 amp hour battery. So it's actually 5 amp hours more than the ETM RTR Lite. So I'm hoping we should get a little bit better range out of this thing. Woo-wee, and it is freezing. Why do I have to range test in the cold? Now on the RTR Lite, I got just over 20 miles of range, or just under 21, I think. So I expect to get similar, if not better range on the Rizzler. Let's go to the pegs. Woo! Now, Electro & Co claims 30 to 50 miles range on this thing, so I'll be the judge of that today. In my test video, we found that this was actually quicker than the RTR Lite. I think it has to do with the wheels. Smaller wheels and street tires, so it was quicker. We'll do a speed run here. But I'm gonna ride this bike exactly how I usually ride, so it's not like we're just going 20 miles an hour the whole time. We're gonna wheelie it, we're gonna do some speed runs just to get realistic range. But it's quite a bold claim, 30 to 50 miles. Helps if you're lighter. I am currently 165 pounds, so we'll see how she does. 40, 41. Woo-hoo-hoo. And the battery's already showing down to 88%. Now, one thing I've noticed on all of Electro & Co's bikes is the battery percentage seems like it drops really quick at first, but then once you get down to like 70%, it takes a lot longer to drop off. I'm not sure why that is, but it just is. We've just gone a mile. 42, 43, 44, and we're running out of space. She's a quick gal. We just added these pegs last video, so these are pretty fun to play around on. Makes wheelies so much easier. Now guys, this is the standard Rizzler model. I would be remiss if I didn't talk about the fact that Electro & Co just dropped a bunch of new bikes. So they dropped a whole new kit. So they have the RTR, I think it's the Alpha, which is like 18 kilowatts. They dropped the Rizzler. They still have this bike, but then they dropped the Rizzler Sport, which is essentially the same drivetrain, I think, or at least same power, which is 8 kilowatts as the RTR, the stock RTR, the standard one. So you can actually get this bike with a more powerful motor and a bigger battery too. So that'll come with a 72 volt, 25 amp hour battery, the same one that comes stock in the RTR. Now, I will be testing the stock RTR battery in this bike at some point, but just to know that's an option. But I still think we're going to be really impressed by this bike and the range it gets, especially for the price at $2,100. Cheaper with code ConnorG, of course. I'm loving these pegs. This will be my longest ride yet on this thing. It's been so cold I haven't been able to ride. All right, ready? We're going to come here. Whoa, whoa. Whew. The thing this bike does best by far is undeniably circle wheelies. Just the tightest little circle wheelies. It's insane. And what's even more fun too is when you get up on the pegs in a circle wheelie. Go up this way, I guess. I'm gonna probably time lapse a lot of this because there's gonna be lots of riding. Go Birds! Ah, he wasn't amused. He didn't even give me the Go Birds back. What the hell is that all about? Not a real fan, man.
It's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love.
Oh my god, these pegs are so fun, dude. It's a $30 mod you can add that honestly gives you so many more options for combos and shit. Apologies if at any point the GoPro dies out on me or freezes, because it is, in fact, that cold today. But as far as like a wheelie bike that you get stock, like if you want to get an e-bike and you want to learn to wheelie, this is the best one to learn on. Honestly, it's better than the RTR, better than the RTR Lite if your sole purpose is wheelies. That's literally what this bike was designed for. Don't get me wrong, RTR is great at wheelies too, but got to do a couple things like maybe change the brake, add supermotos. This thing, in its purest form, just loves to wheelie. Little hill climbs. Oh, I just love to circle it. Now guys, Electro & Co also just released like a bunch of upgrade parts for all these bikes. So one thing I'll say is all of the RTR parts are interchangeable on these Rizzlers, whether you get this Rizzler or the new Rizzler Sport. So if you get just the base model bike and because you just want to get in first and then you want to save up money over time to get like the upgrades and everything, you can still do that and then add the parts to the bike. And we've gone 3.0 miles so far. I'm at 86% showing. That's not super realistic though. We're actually at 96%. Damn. All right, let's go up to the trails on the other side out of this neighborhood. We'll give them a break for a minute. Oh my God, I think the bike is gonna outlast me and my camera today. Hopefully we can do this whole range test. That's how committed I am to you. Yeah, you, I'm talking about you watching this video right now. I don't see anyone else outside doing range tests in 30-degree weather.
What you need if you need to feel a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting rough. You can find me in the club.
I had a viral video where this guy that lives right up here came out and was originally trying to yell at me for doing wheelies by here and riding this bike here, but
Vehicle over 40 cc.
this is electric. It's under 750 watts.
It's still not supposed to be on that bike path. You do a wheelie up this path.
I've done that before, I'll admit, but it's when nobody's around. I calm the interaction down nice and good, so, you know, I want to be respectful to you, sir, so give respect, get respect, you know? 14 minutes in, we've gone 4 miles. Are we done yet? But yeah, like I said, I plan to test every battery in this bike too. So I'm going to test it with a 72 volt, 25 amp hour stock RTR battery and now stock Rizzler Sport battery. And I'm also going to test the touring battery, which is a 72 volt, 45 amp hour battery. So definitely let me know down below if you want to see those videos. But I think it might be helpful for new Rizzler owners. Now we got the seat standers. Okay. All right, we can try the little trail today. There's a good amount of people on it. Ready? 25 miles an hour. Six miles down. Dude, I've been going so crazy recently. And this happens this time of year every year where it's just like so cold and miserable you can't do anything. And it's not even just the cold. Who am I kidding? It is the cold. But I always like kind of like, I start getting irritable and all that. And I'm like, why am I so irritable? And then I'm like, wait a minute. When was the last time I rode my bike? And then I'm like, oh, it's been 3 weeks, 4 weeks. That's why I'm miserable. Get a little speed run here. 42, 44, 44, up the hill. Yeah, the Rizzler handles best, I think, around like the 15 to 25 mile per hour range, at least like for wheelies, I'm saying. Like if you're a big wheelie guy, you're gonna be chilling around 15 to 20 for the most part. And then obviously anything slower than that, it also does great at. But people, kind of rightfully so, never are thrilled with me on here, but there's not a lot of traffic today. That rear brake locking up. Big fan of these brakes now. I was hesitant at first, but Electro & Co figured it out finally with the brakes. I love them now. Bumpy. Pretty well. Yeah, I just couldn't imagine how this thing would be if it didn't have suspension. It would suck. Everything the sun touches is yours. Except there's no sun to be found anywhere anymore. Oh, woo, woo. All right, how does the Rizzler do off-road? Hopefully does not get a flat. Honestly, she's doing just fine. Takes the bumps well. Well, to be fair, if the range is pretty bad today, I wouldn't take it too seriously just because I am unlike most people, and most people will not be riding their RTR, or their Rizzler rather, when it is 30 degrees outside. So many miles. I should play what I'm listening to right now. It's pretty fitting for this test. So many miles. 9 miles down. See if we can one hand up the hill. So many miles. Hey, damn, some fat houses here. Guys, if you are interested in this bike or any of the parts, batteries, whatever, anything from Electro & Co. Maybe you want the RTR, the Light, the Rizzler, be sure to use code ConnorG at checkout to save. It'll save you 5% off your order. So, and it'll also help benefit the channel. So I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh. Also, guys, I'm excited to announce that I plan on doing a giveaway. So I just relaunched my website. It's ConnorGmedia.com, where I'm just starting to launch. We're trying to gauge interest here, but ow, I just hit myself with a peg, frick. But anyways, I will be selling some stickers again. So I've got my OG stickers up there, and then I've got some new stickers on the RTR. I guess I got to make a Rizzler sticker now. That's next. Basically, if you order a sticker on the website, every individual order you make will be one entry into a giveaway for a $1,000 Electro & Co. gift card. So that's halfway to buying this bike. Buy a sticker, help support the channel, and it'll also get you entered to win. So if you guys are interested in helping the channel, buy a sticker and also have the chance to win $1,000. I'm thinking of finishing the contest once I hit 100K. So that's started. I'll link that below. That'd be cool if you want to help support. And I have no freaking idea where I am right now. Alright guys, we're at 9.83 miles, 58%. My GoPro is turning off because it's a GoPro, but really it's because it's so damn cold out here. But basically 10 miles, 58. Alright guys, I'm currently at 58%. We've gone 10 miles. My GoPro is ceasing to work though. The batteries are fully charged. It just keeps saying low battery. I think it's because it's so freezing outside. So I'm just gonna keep doing this range test. I'm sorry, stupid classic GoPro malfunction, but I'm gonna see how far we can get, and I'll see you back in the garage. My god, let me in, let me in, let me in. Fuck this shit, bro. All right, guys, we made it back. Fuck. Okay, it is so damn cold out there, so I just got back in. We're at 13%. 13%? Can you see it? 13%. The battery was showing like 4% or 3%, so I got it home. I also am just so frozen, dude, that I needed to be done with this test. So we didn't get it down to the full 0. We got it to 13%. Final mileage is 23.25 miles. 23.25 miles. Sorry the GoPro glitched out on you there. I'm going to take a seat. Horrible framing, I know, but dude, it is so cold out there. So, final mileage of 23.25 miles in an hour and 25 minutes. Now, like I said, Electro & Co. claims 30 to 50 miles, which, I don't know, it might be a little... I don't want to say overzealous, but I don't know. Who knows? But I got 23 miles, riding it super hard. Honestly, if you're riding in groups, you're probably going to be riding slower than I was today, but it was just myself and wanted to get this shit done. So 23.25 miles. The biggest thing to keep in mind is it's currently 35 degrees. 35 degrees. You see that shit? So it's insanely cold. These batteries do not perform nearly as well under 40 degrees, let alone under 35 degrees. So that really plays a role in it. But yeah, I mean, it's still really good range. When we did the RTR Light test, I got 20 miles, just over 20 miles. This performed better than the RTR Light, as it should, with 5 amp hours more. And we're still at 13%. When I finished the RTR Light test, the battery had nothing left. So this probably had another couple miles in it. Let's call it like 25, 26, which is exactly in line with what the stock RTR range was with the 72 volt, 25 amp hour. But that's also pushing 8 kilowatts. So yeah, I think it did a great job. This is like literally exactly what I expected, especially given the temperatures. If it's warmer out and you're riding in like a big group, like let's say the Mega Ride, you could go like Mega Ride pace probably for 30 plus miles pretty easily. I would say even like 35, but yeah, Rizzler range riding test, rowdy, rambunctious, whatever, freezing cold. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Stay tuned. We plan to test every single battery in this Rizzler as well. But if you want this bike or any Electro & Co. products, be sure to use code ConnorG. And don't forget, go buy some stickers, get entered to win a $1,000 gift card to Electro & Co. Otherwise, guys, road to 100K, please sub. I will see you very, very soon. Peace. I need to